try ChatGPT's Go account that was costing about 399 rupees per month, free for 12 months. Yes, you are listening right. When you open your account on ChatGPT, it's automatically get into free account, and there is a lot of limits. You can check out upload limits, image limits, lower limits, and many things there. But if you want to buy upgrade to Go for free for 12 months, here is an option. You have to go to ChatGPT, and there you will find an option called upgrade for free. Click on that and choose this plan, that is upgrade to Go for free. And after that you will be asked that you will not be charged 399 rupees, because your subtotal is free by this coupon, and 399 rupees will be zero. You have to pay zero for 12 months. So what we can do, we have to enter our credit card detail or our UPI detail over here, and after that click on this tick and click on subscribe. After subscribing, you will get a free, yes, you are free now for 12 months, but you have to keep in mind that you have to auto mandate the payment on your UPI or your credit card, and after a year, before passing that date, you have to switch this account to back to free. And if you want to continue with this, you can use this by paying 399 rupees for a month. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.